It is Parliament that started it off by pushing constitution implementation deadlines to the limit. The executive followed suit by totally disregarding the judiciary, and now it appears the trend is spreading fast. The executive is the biggest culprit in disobeying the law. County commissioners remain in office months after a court nullified their appointment. This week, one of the principals issued a directive to Kenya Airways to stop its retrenchment plan, despite the courts giving the airline a go-ahead. The appointment of the Inspector General of Police is still pending, more than a year after the deadline. Teachers have already taken cue and gone on strike despite the courts declaring that action illegal. The Constitution Implementation Watchdog is now raising the red flag.
The concern of CIC is that if this trend continues and no action is taken urgently to enforce the rule of law, more Kenyans in all walks of life shall be emboldened to take the law in their own hands to settle their disputes, as they have no faith that judicial authority is exercisable and respected in Kenya.
CIC has also turned to the courts to block another illegality where political parties could nominate presidential election losers to parliament. They can only hope the court's decision will be respected.
We are eroding the legitimacy of a very, very important institution, which may be the one institution that we'll look forward to legitimize the elections 2013.
So you work so hard to establish such big and beautiful institutions to help arbitrate in matters of justice. Then you proceed to trump and trash all the important rulings it makes. Where then will you turn to tomorrow when you will need justice so desperately? For News at 8, I'm Freddie Ndimuli.